And we cut across to big breaking news coming in. This is in connection to the Sanchar Sathi app round that is getting bigger, and it's a big India Today impact. The government has now clarified on the Sanchar Sathi app and how there shouldn't be any reason to worry. Communication Mantri Jyotiraditya Scindia has issued a clarification. He has said that the users can also uninstall the Sanchar Sathi app. The government has clarified this amid the massive row that is only now escalating, where people are now worried about whether their privacy takes a hit. Why is it that the government is mandating this app? Details that are being sought when it comes to the Sanchar Sathi app. However, this latest statement coming in from Jyotiraditya Scindia, Communications Minister, who has said that if a user wants to uninstall the app, he definitely has the option. Listen in.
कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है। आप अगर रजिस्टर नहीं करना चाहते हो, मतलब कि उदाहरण के तौर पे इस ऐप का उपयोग नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो रजिस्टर मत करो, वो डोरमेंट रहेगा। डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कर लो। पर क्या हो, एक मिनट, पर हर व्यक्ति को देश में नहीं मालूम कि मुझे फ्रॉड से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, मुझे चोरी से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए ये ऐप है। तो हर व्यक्ति तक ये ऐप पहुंचाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। अगर आपको डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कर दो, नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है तो रजिस्टर मत करो। जब आप रजिस्टर करोगे तभी तो एक्टिव होगा, रजिस्टर नहीं करोगे तो इनएक्टिव होगा।
So that's a big clarification coming in from the Union Communications Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, who's gone on to say that it is not mandatory to download this app. The aim of this app is primarily to save a user from any sort of fraud, and that is the reason that the government is mandating this app. However, the option lies with any user to be able to uninstall that app. So while the sentiment that is primarily growing and questions concerning privacy that are by and large doing the rounds, where we even saw how the opposition is upping the ante against the centre, saying why is this app being forced? That's the message that is coming in from the centre, where Jyotiraditya Scindia has clarified that there is very much an option of uninstalling the app in a scenario that a user wishes to do so. However, this is for the user and his safety itself, to protect him, to prevent them from any sort of frauds.
कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है। आप अगर रजिस्टर नहीं करना चाहते हो, मतलब कि उदाहरण के तौर पे इस ऐप का उपयोग नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो रजिस्टर मत करो, वो डोरमेंट रहेगा। डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कर लो। पर क्या हो, एक मिनट, पर हर व्यक्ति को देश में नहीं मालूम कि मुझे फ्रॉड से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, मुझे चोरी से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए ये ऐप है। तो हर व्यक्ति तक ये ऐप पहुंचाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। अगर आपको डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कर दो, नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है तो रजिस्टर मत करो। जब आप रजिस्टर करोगे तभी तो एक्टिव होगा, रजिस्टर नहीं करोगे तो इनएक्टिव होगा। प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि विपक्ष कुर्सी के नीचे, कुर्सी के पीछे, कुर्सी के लिए मुद्दे ढूंढ रहा है। अब सभी भ्रमों को दूर करना सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है, और सारे मुद्दे मैंने आपके समक्ष रख दिए कि आज तक पिछले 2 वर्षों में संचार साथी पोर्टल और संचार साथी ऐप के आधार पर कितनी सुविधा जनता को मिली है, कितना पैसा जनता का बचा है। और ये भी आंकड़े आपके सामने रख दूं, एक साल में 2024 में अकेले हमारे देश के अंदर 22,800 करोड़ रुपए के फ्रॉड हुए हैं। तो एक तरफ विपक्ष चिल्ला रहा है कि आप फ्रॉड कैसे रोकेंगे, दूसरी तरफ अगर संचार साथी का ऐप हमने आम नागरिक को दे दिया तो कह रहे हैं पेगासस। तो करो तो मरो, न करो तो मरो। तो जो लोग सत्य नहीं देखना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों को हम सत्य नहीं दिखा सकते। जो लोग सुविधा इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं वो करें, जो नहीं करना चाहते हैं और डिलीट करना चाहते हैं वो डिलीट करें। प्रॉब्लम क्या है? थैंक यू।
Let me take this to my colleague Amit Bhardwaj now, joining us on the broadcast. Amit, this is a huge clarification coming in from the centre that is primarily stating that this app is there to prevent people from cyber security threats, given so many fake and duplicate IMEI numbers that lead to large-scale frauds. And in a scenario one wants to uninstall it, they can, and the opposition is only politicizing this for no reason.
Absolutely right, and this clarification comes very much in time. You know, nothing could have been a better timing than this. The Minister of Telecommunications coming forward, Jyotiraditya Scindia, briefing as to what Sanchar Sathi essentially would mean when it comes on your phone. You know, you can activate it, you can deactivate it, you don't need to activate it if you don't want to, and you can uninstall it. This is a clarification coming right from the horse's mouth. The Minister of Telecommunication clarifying that it is up to the user whether they want to activate an app, a Sanchar Sathi app, deactivate the app, uninstall the app. All of that option will be available to the user, because that was the primary point which had become the rallying point rather for the opposition parties, the leaders from the Congress party and different other parties from India bloc, saying that this looks like a snooping app, heading towards a dictatorship regime, a tool towards a dictatorship regime. That's what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had also said this morning when she reached the parliament. And why? Because their premise was very much based on the on this particular assumption that the app cannot be uninstalled and the users will not have an option, because it's going to be a preloaded app. On the manufacturers will have to have that app on the phones, and it will only tell the users that it's getting activated when it's being installed in the phone after purchase. So now the clarification coming from Minister of Telecommunications saying that it is up to the user whether they want to install it, deactivate it, activate it. Number one. Number two, that why this app was needed is that cyber fraud is happening. It's a reality. Digital arrests have become reality of our times, and because there is lack of digital literacy in the country, a lot of financial crimes were happening, and the poor, illiterate or the vulnerable classes were falling prey for such financial frauds online. So the minister is saying that we did not have an option to ensure that this app reaches everyone's finger point. And hence the route of manufacturer was taken, because Sanchar Sathi already exists. If you go by the numbers, over 20 crore visitors have already visited Sanchar Sathi app and the platform so far, and it has helped in reporting and solving the cases of digital fraud, including that of phone theft. Now the government is saying that this was a way and method to ensure that with the fact that there's lack of digital literacy in the country, you can send it to everybody across the country with an option of installing the app. So that clarification has come. Now we'll have to see as to how the India bloc leaders respond to this clarification. Back to you.
Oh yes, and the chart seems to be similar of that of snooping. We'll continue to track all the responses very closely. Amit, thank you at the moment for joining us with all these details.